Alright. Hello. Sorry about the background noise. It's the waterfall on the swimming pool over there. But today I'm showing the pond bin. And it's a 50-gallon tub, and it's got some water plants there. I have a native Arizona species right in there. I don't remember the name of. It's got these white cone-shaped inflorescence. Nice little marginal plant. I get papyrus. That's an African species. This little thing has been clinging on to life. It used to be way bigger, but when I moved the plants here, a lot of them died. Let's see. There is some cattail here, and back in there, there's a couple little palm tree seedlings. And I have spiny leaf pondweed in here, but it doesn't seem to be surviving for whatever reason. I guess there's not enough light. There's some of it right there. Otherwise, I got this fanwort in here, and I have, oh, you can't see it there, whatever that kind of grass is. It looks kind of like mondo grass to me, but I'm not sure. I got it from a friend. He didn't know the name of it either. Found it at Salt River. Water lettuce, which I just got recently, is growing a lot. I got this little Salvinia species there. I'm not sure entirely what that is. I know it's Salvinia, but I don't know what species of Salvinia. And it's grown some too. I got this. That is a Salvinia cuculata. And it's a new species for me. I've never kept that one before. I gotta get some frog bit back in here, water lilies, and some taro leaf. Those are some of the ones I'm gonna be getting back in here soon. So it's going good. As for fish, there's rosy minnows, typical feeder fish you get at PetSmart. Actually, one of them is missing its eye, and it's that one right there. Yeah. Now I lost it. Where is it? That one right there is missing an eye. So there's 13 of those. There's 6 goldfish, and there's 5 catfish, 1 tilapia, 2 mosquito fish, and I don't even know how many mollies at this point. They've been breeding like crazy in here. The mollies actually caught wild. You can find them at Butcher Jones by Saguaro Lake, Salt River. There's a whole bunch of wild mollies there. So that's where I got these ones. And they've been reproducing like mad. I know I probably shouldn't feed them very much. It's not nearly as much as I do, because I don't have enough. I mean, I have somewhat good filtration. It's not fantastic. There's no pump, no bubbler or anything in here. It's all just air to water, oxygen transfusion, and the plants do all the filtration. So. But I've been keeping this pond for a couple of years now, and it's been doing good. I've talked about it a little bit before, but never actually showed it, because most of the time when I go out here and try to film it, the reflection on the water is really harsh, so it just looks like a gray sheet of water. You can't see down in it at all. And Right now it's about 9:15 in the morning, and the light's just right, so I can actually show in there. I got these catfish pellets, and this is what I give to the catfish in here. And you might be able to see them, I don't know. They live under the pots there. And then that thing over in the corner is actually a water dish for like a lizard or something. And there's usually a catfish under that too. I think I just saw one move. Yep, there's one under there. I'll try to show it better. Oh, he just got a piece of food there. The goldfish tried to steal it from him. He's one of the little ones. One of the smaller ones. He smells it. Anyway, there's him, and there's back under here where you probably can't see. Yeah, it's all reflected. That's how it looks most of the day to the camera. Down under here, there are 4 others. And they are little pigs. They were in the quarantine tank. I made a video about the quarantine tank one time. And these are the 5 catfish that were in there. I just moved them out here not too long ago, so that's where they are now. Oh, there's one right there. One just came out. One of the bigger ones just came out. Those are mollies. Come on, where are you? Yeah, everybody else eats the catfish food too, which is kind of annoying. That's why I put in the other food, is because they can scavenge in here, and they can forage around, eat algae and diatoms and little plant bits. Pick at the roots of the water plants and stuff. So they don't need the food in here. And I'm increasing the bioload quite a bit just by having that much food. So, but the reason I'm feeding the catfish is I want them to grow fast so that I can get them in the big tanks pretty soon. There's one. Yeah, they're right there. I can see them, but I don't think you guys can see them. See the big goldfish back in there? They're like right next to him. And there's the tilapia back in there as well. There he is, he just came out. He's right there in the middle now. That's the tilapia. And back he goes. The catfish have had very little of the catfish food so far, so I'm going to give them some more. So anyway, it's due for a refill, but otherwise everything's going good. I have this willow acacia here, right in there, and it was at a QT parking lot. There was a tree that had fallen over, and the roots were growing, so I cut off a couple and brought them home. I'm gonna try and grow them. I've seen willow acacia growing in marginal situations and like partially in the water, so I figured I'd try to pull it off. So far it hasn't worked very well. The other 2 have died, but that one's still alive in there. Come on, catfish. Anyway, okay, I don't think they're gonna come out. At least I don't think the camera is going to pick them up very well. They blend in very well with the bottom. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed. This is the pond bin that I've talked about. Bye-bye. I might make another one of these once I get taro leaf back and the frog bit and the water lilies and stuff. So, anyway, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed.